Hi, we're here doing a video of this MC crawler, and our technician Adi's going to be driving it. We just took it for a little pre-spin the first time Adi has driven or worked it here, so we haven't worked it. We're going to do that now, but we did break off the throttle handle. You'll see there Adi point to that throttle handle. Yeah, it had been welded, but we will get a brand new one. I know where to buy a new one, so that'll go with be installed on the tractor. And then we started it this morning. Hadn't started it in over a month, and it started. How many cranks did it start in after?
It whirled over just a few times, and it come right to life.
Okay, after a month. Okay, all right. Well, we'll start. And Adi said was just commenting, driving it over here to our work lot. It really steers like a sweetheart. So we'll have them demonstrate it and do a couple-minute video. There you have it, Tractor Town. Give us a call, and thank you.